is going to be a really fast overview of how to do this, but it should give you a good idea. I'm going to use this course that I'm creating to teach you how to build a paid community on Skool, but you're also going to need to know how to create courses inside of the community in order to have different courses in your classrooms in your paid communities. So this is an easy, fast way to use Chatgpt. You're going to have to already know a little bit about what it is that you're teaching, but beyond that, Chatgpt can really help you put all the pieces together. I'm going to come up here and show you the starting prompt that I used, and I'm using Trello to map it all out, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. So this is where I was trying to come up with a name for our community. And all right, so I said I need 5 modules with 5 to 8 videos in each module showing a novice how to create a paid Skool community and then find paid members. So this is what Chatgpt came back with. Module 1 is laying the foundation. Module 2 is growing your community. Module 3 is monetizing your community. Module 4 is retention and engagement. And Module 5 is advanced marketing techniques. Okay, so I took all of that information and I came over here and I created a card. And then in the description, I pasted all of that information in here. Then the next step is to add another list. And each of these lists is a module. And underneath each module is a card, and each card is a video that I'm going to make, or it's a lesson in the plan. So then I go over and ask Chatgpt, give me 3 to 5 slides on, and then I plug in whatever the main theme of the card is, or the video is going to be. And then it came back with the card features. So when I make these cards over in Canva, I can just, each one of these cards, each one of these slides in my video will be just like it says to do here. I'll probably fix it up, and then I asked it to give me a script to go with each of the cards, so I know what to say for each of the cards. And I'm doing that with each lesson. And as you do these, you can label them. So right now, I've done nothing. I'm gonna make it purple because I don't like red. So I know that I need to work on this. And once I get it done, then I'll edit the label and I'll make it green. And I'll untick the purple. I could be going through here and the ones that I've already, I put all the titles of the videos in the cards, but I haven't gone through and done all of the slides and the scripts yet. So maybe I'll just put these as yellow to let me know we're working on it. See, this one has all the stuff in it. And then I can label this one yellow because this one's all got. Okay. And as I make them, then I'll switch the labels to green. And when all of these are green, then it'll all be finished. And then when you go over to Canva, let me just come over here to Canva and I'll show you how to make quick videos. You start with the blank video and you use whatever background you want to use. You can do white and black or black and white, or I'm probably going to go with dark blue because that's one of my colors. And then I'll do the text will be in white. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go back over to my Trello board, and this is going to be the label of my video of this lesson. I'm going to shrink it up a little bit, make it a little bigger. Maybe I'll go like that. Maybe I'll make this part more bigger. More bigger, more better. Maybe I'll try to make it 100. Make it 104 so that I can remember it with other pieces. And then you just center it. And I think I'm going to put these little dots on here. Trying to learn to keep my branding consistent. I found out today I'm an air kind of personality, so it doesn't always work the way I want it to. But just fade that out a little bit. All right. Okay, so then we're going to just go edit, duplicate page, and we're going to come over to the duplicate page, and we're going to make this, we're going to delete, no we're not. We're going to go back over here to the school, and we're going to say, okay, so the first slide needs to be welcome to school. Do all in one. Control C, and go back over here, and highlight this part because we want this piece to be big, but not that big. Actually, I think I'm just going to get rid of all of this. Delete. Down. Another one. Subheading B. We don't want these to be like this, so we're going to go move that to the top. Move this down. Make this bigger. And once you do one, you just make copies, and then you can, so here are my bullet points. Put this over here. And I like to have these all kind of like, didn't have it highlighted. There we go. Okay, so then when we do the next slide, I'm going to duplicate this page again, and then we will come over here and Control C. I think I might have picked that other subtitle. I'm going to delete that on this one. Okay, I'm going to go back over here to this one, and we're going to just copy and paste over the top of that. That. Highlight all of this, make it not those things. And then we're going to come over here, and we're going to pick up these bullet points. go over here, change these to this, move this up. Backspace there. Okay, so, and then I'm just going to keep doing this 2 more times because this particular video has 4 slides to it, and then I will save it. And once you save it, then you can just go and do File, make a copy for your next video, which will have all the same elements. You're just going to change the stuff that you have on the top of your slides. So that is all there is to actually creating a course quickly.